Do you want to know what really drives the engine of covered call investing and creating income? It's implied volatility. Implied volatility is the engine that impacts the juice in your option trades, and we're going to get into that right now. You have to understand what implied volatility is. If you know what I'm talking about when I talk about the juice or the extrinsic value, you know that that's what we're after. That's the engine that drives the income in what we do here. And that's cool because the higher the implied volatility, the bigger the option premium. The bigger the option premium, the bigger the time value in there, which is the extrinsic value, and that's the juice. And that's what creates our income. The problem is when you have too much implied volatility, you've got a stock that swings all over the place and it can really wreak havoc on your emotions. So let's talk about how understanding implied volatility leads to premium selling strategies that we use here. So what is the juice? It's the part of the options price not tied to the intrinsic value. So you have the in-the-money amount that makes up an option premium, and you have the out-of-the-money amount, the extrinsic value, the juice that makes up an option premium. Our income as option sellers comes from collecting the juice. And so it's basically driven by how much time is left and how much volatility is left in the option. And that's what creates this whole juice thing that I talk about. It's the market deciding how much a stock is going to move based on how much the stock has moved, right? And what's potentially coming out. So higher IV, implied volatility, is higher expected movement. Lower IV is lower expected movement. It's pretty simple, right? When you have higher expected movement, you got higher options prices, options premiums, right? So it's basically like storm insurance pricing. So if you've got a hurricane that's on its way to your house, and you call up the insurance company, first of all, they're not going to give you insurance, but if they did, they would charge you a lot more because they have a lot higher chance of having to pay, a lot higher risk in their case, of having to pay you for your destroyed house, right? So they're going to charge you a lot more. Same thing with options. You got a stock that is about to move a lot, well, the option premium is going to be higher. It's just kind of a supply and demand kind of thing. So IV and the juice. The higher IV means more extrinsic value. The lower IV just means less extrinsic value. So I can tell you, every stock has a personality. Every trader has a personality. And it's kind of our job to figure out what stocks are right for us. And IV plays a role in that, right? Sometimes people just can't handle high implied volatility. You might want a lower implied volatility stock that just kind of chugs away, right? Option sellers, we like high implied volatility environments for the juice. We may not like the movement, but we certainly like it for the income because there's a higher risk when you do have that higher implied volatility. So let's take a look at what you see here on Apple. And so Apple has, stock is trading at $213.67, slightly in the money. You're getting $3.54 for 11 days of premium. Well, that's an interesting value. So I want you to remember that value as we go to the next option chain. The next option chain shows Tesla. Tesla's got the $290 price, but look at the implied volatility leading to that high juice. That's $11.11. Almost the same stock price. It's a little bit more for Tesla, but it's like 3 times the juice. That's because the IV is so high. So look at the IV on Tesla. It's at 59 here for this option, but look at the IV on Apple, 26. You see the difference there? You see that Apple has that 26.8, that leads to 354 in juice. Tesla has that 58%, and that leads to 1111 in juice. Both roughly the same expiration, just slightly at the money, or it may be slightly in the money, just different premiums, and the volatility is what inflates the juice. Apple moves a lot less than Tesla in general. So what's an IV crush? Sometimes you'll hear people talk about IV crush. So IV rises ahead of earnings because of the anticipation, the excitement of earnings, but options become more expensive. And then after earnings, when there's more certainty, implied volatility drops fast. That's the actual crush. And then it's great for sellers who entered before the event, but now your problem is to be exposed during the event, and that's dangerous. So I always warn everybody to be very, very careful and have a lot of safety going into numbers. And that doesn't mean being exposed. It means having less exposure, maybe even getting out and going to cash altogether. It's not good for buyers who overpaid for inflated options. I get a lot of people asking me, hey, Mark, I want to sell a put going into earnings. Well, great, but there ain't no free lunch in the market. So you're probably going to spend a ton of money on that put. And right after earnings, it's going to have an implied volatility crush, right? Because more certainty, especially if it's out of the money. it's going to almost lose all of its value right away because that crush is coming down if the stock doesn't decline. So your put will lose the value in that case. So how do you use the IV in your trading plan? Well, check your IV percentage. I just showed you. If your IV is over 50%, that's more premium to collect. If you have lower IV, consider shorter durations or wider spreads, and then match your strategy to your risk and yield target. But it's going to directly affect the amount of juice that you're getting. And so you're already using it if you're just focusing on the juice. And that's what I always tell my students, focus on the juice. So what are some of the conclusions here? IV is a major driver of option premium. Higher IV is more juice, and more juice leads to more income potential, but there's more risk there too. You've got to monitor your IV rank to identify the best times to sell. And remember, you're not just selling time, you're selling volatility, right? That's what the engine is that drives a covered call investor. It's not whether the stock is going to go up or down, it's how much juice you're getting if it doesn't go up or down. So what can you do? Compare 3 stocks with different IVs this week. I just showed you a couple. Maybe pull up some for yourself. Track option pricing changes through earnings, and use the IV rank to set up your trades. Right? Use whatever's appropriate to your personality to set up the trades, and then figure out ways to identify juicy setups with high implied volatility. That's a little homework for you if you want to go a little bit deeper. So implied volatility really is an important part of trading options. And it's good that you know a little bit more about it now, and I hope you use it going forward. By the way, I'm having a webinar in just a few days called the Juice Lever Strategy, and we're going to be going over this new strategy that we've been having a lot of fun and success with called the Juice Lever. And so would love to see you. It's Wednesday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, coming up on July 23rd. Love to see you there. And I have a live event coming up at the end of September in Clearwater, Florida. Love to see you there if you want to learn how to create more income in your account and hang out with some other cool people that are looking to do exactly the same thing. If that's interesting for you, hang on just a second. I got a little promo ad coming up about that, and I'd love to see you there. What if you could lock in reliable income every month no matter what the market's doing? Most investors are gambling with their retirement, hoping things work out. But hope is not a strategy, and that's why I created the Cash Flow Machine, a proven system that works in bull markets, bear markets, and everything in between. Join me live in Clearwater, Florida, September 26th through the 28th for a powerful 3-day event that will change the way you trade forever. It's called the Wealth Accelerator Live. It's 3 days to build your income machine and rewire your wealth mindset. Here's what I'm going to deliver to you. A personal trading plan that you can use right away. Mastery of the Juice Calculator to engineer smarter trades. Hands-on sessions with real traders showing real income strategies. Behind-the-scenes tools we never teach online. Now, you'll be in a room with serious investors, people just like you who are scaling income and wealth with this repeatable system. And we're keeping it small and intimate. Spots are very limited, and we will sell out. Grab your early bird ticket today, and let's build your income machine together. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.